Welcome to Uncle Myers. I'm Uncle Myers. Yeah, wearing the retro shirt. Because today's video is unboxing the Retro Ring. Oh yeah, dig it.
What? Huh? What's your man doing? Oh yeah.
So, I've got 7 of these. I don't know why, just kept buying them. I guess because it's very hard to find the old ones and then whatever. So, I'm going to open up one. I got this little collage thing going on in the office there. So, you guys will take a look at what I'm doing right now. After I unbox this, I'll show the whole bollocks, you know. So, here's the box. It's pretty rad, you know. Doesn't remind me really of the old one, but, you know, it's still pretty rad. They got the bad match that I don't like, you know. Not WCW guy, not even close. So, but whatever. I got the other match that they never released back in the Hasbro days. So let's again with the scissors I forgot, and you need scissors. Whatever. Forget it. Just rip it open. Here we go. Bam! Oh shit. Okay. So I'm dropping everything. Literally everything. So there's the ring. Not much setting up to do, you know. You got two stairs, and the bollocks, you know, monitors. Got the stickers. Nothing in there. Alright. Let's rock and roll. Strut and stroll. Woo! The ring post with the ropes already attached. That's pretty rad. Man, going back to the old days here. I haven't put a ring together in so long. It's going to be very interesting. Again with the tape. Alright. Slowly rip this open because you don't want to wreck the stickers. Wreck the stickers, pointless. I got 6 more to do, but I'm not going to open them. So, go. So you only get one sticker? So you only get this sticker, but yet you have all this shit? So those are going to be blank? Blank? That's stupid! That is just stupid! Stupid! This unboxing video is not going to be anything. And the way I should have done it before is the way it works. So, you don't go this way, you go this way or this way, for fuck's sakes. So, boom, there it is. Big whoops. It's missing the F. Man, they should have just kept the F. Alright, this chair for a second here. I'm just going to go down here a little bit. Here, I'll one more Now, yeah, you're coming down with me. You understand it. Got the instructions right here. Yeah, that mean nothing to me. Yeah. Yep, just one sticker. That's stupid. Stupid. But the ropes are second, so. Got it. All right, so there you go here. Okay. And you put it. Clips in. Bam! This is gonna be easy video. Easy video. I don't even know why you're watching this video. It's gonna be f*** all until the end. Until you see my little wrestling shine. I pay $100 max. I don't care. You guys might go, you're stupid. Why would you only pay 100? Because that's what they're worth. They're not worth $800. It's retarded. So these retro rings, very easy. Well, ropes are on. All you do is just push in, click. There it is. I kind of wish, you know, these were already on the ring, like the original Hasbro, you know. A lot of guys do custom ones. The custom ones I've seen are pretty rad. ECW, whatnot. Major Wrestling Pod. Those ones are pretty badass. My buddy made me a couple. He's getting pretty good at it, you know. My buddy Ty there. What's up, Ty? Now I noticed the stairs are the ones that really get loose. Loosey-goosey. Loosey-goose. See? A little loose. But you heard the click, so I don't get it. Anywho, there's the ring. So, what do I think of the retro ring? Brings me back to the days, that's for sure. Especially with the new retro line. But they suck at it, so whatever. Can't believe that's like, there should be stickers here. Is that just for custom crap? My buddy got custom ones for me made, and there's stuff here and there, so I don't know, whatever. But here's the retro ring. Pretty rad. Alright, next shot I'll show you the reveal of my piece that I'm anything showed you the unboxing of the Retro Ring. I'm in the office now. I got it hung up. WrestleMania 10 ring, original Hasbro ring, 3 original Hasbros, and then the retros. I had more retros, but you know, no more pegboards, so gotta figure that shit out. So that's my video. I'm Uncle Myers. See you next time. Dig it!